Hello everyone, I'm your host for today. I am Adwan Alivian Anas with the student ID of 332500047. And for today's episode, I will be joined by two beautiful guests. Would you guys like to introduce yourselves?
Of course. Hello everyone, my name is Intan Karinesa. Welcome to Mishesa. My student ID is 3325040.
Hello everyone, my name is Hani Pertiwi. You can call me Hani. My student ID it is 332500016.
Okay, thank you for your introduction. And this is it's a podcast. Okay, for today's topic, I wanted to discuss with you guys about an issue that has just emerged a few months back. Back on October 10th this year, there's an issue in which a principal slapped a student who was caught smoking within school grounds, after which the parents of said student filed lawsuit against the principal. What are you guys' thoughts on this matter?
I think the principal do the right thing because the student is bad. He's smoking around the school.
And I think I don't agree with that
Why you don't agree with that?
because it's violent.
So do you think the principal do the slam to their student is violence?
Discipline is without violence because headmaster cannot slap their student.
Oh, that's your talk. Now let's talk about your thoughts.
For me personally, I do agree with Chesa's thoughts in which a principal should discipline their student. But Hani's opinion also makes sense as disciplining a student does not need violence. Instead, the principal could have disciplined the student in more subtle ways.
Oh,
Yes, I agree with that. But act of physical violence can give psychological trauma in students.
that's a good part because the student will remember that his consequences of action is bad.
But trauma can make a student mental state down.
He should know the consequences of his action. And I agree with you because the principal can talk softly to their student, not just to slap his student, and he can just talk with their parents.
Okay, thank you to both of you for your opinions. For the next question, what would you guys do if you are the parents of said student?
That's a good question. The first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna beat my son in home, and then two, I also feel like I'm failed as a mom, and then I'm gonna give my son the best.
As a parent, I will tell my child to do not smoke in the school area and I will take his pocket money.
Okay, thank you guys on your answers. As for the last question, what do you guys think could have been done by the principal in that moment?
I think the principal just feeling like too emotional and too disappointed because he choked one student smoking in the school area, and then maybe after that the principal just feeling like he's feeling bad for that student.
Same, I feel bad to the student too. But the headmaster can tell slowly to their student and can tell in one room together to discuss their violence.
Okay, but the student cannot smoking in the school area, and they should know the consequences what their action.
Okay, thank you Chesa and Hani for your opinions. In conclusion, while the principal was right in wanting to discipline its student, the way the principal disciplined the students is wrong, as violence is never the answer to disciplining. Uh, the principal should have done it more softly or subtly, by speaking to them, warning them, or even talking to their parents first before doing anything like physical violence. As for the students' parents, they should have not brought the matter into the courtroom, as it was the student who is at fault and have broken the rules first. Thank you, Chesa and Hani, for coming to this podcast. This is Awan, host, signing out. Thank you, everyone. This is Shh, it's a podcast.